Don't toss out your leftover rice. Try this for your next family or friend gathering. Take 3 cups of cooked rice and blend until it's completely crushed. No blender? Use a hand grinder. Once ground, set it aside. Also grab a large onion and 2 garlic cloves. We'll blend these the same way. Meanwhile, tell me where you're watching from so we can chat later. Once everything's blended, set it aside. Next, we'll use 200 grams of boiled potatoes. Mash these with a fork. The potatoes should be super soft for easy mashing. Mix in the blended rice, onion, and garlic with the soft potatoes. Hey folks, this rice recipe I'm showing you is one I've made for Super Delicias many times. I love it and hope you'll try it at home. I'll season it with a pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Let's mix these ingredients a bit before adding the final one. To make it nice and firm, I'll add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch and knead it well. If it's not firm enough, just add more cornstarch until the dough feels right. If you want more recipes like this, don't forget to add Super Delicias to your favorites. For the next step, we'll need some mozzarella cheese cut into small chunks. First, I'll coat my hands with cooking oil to prevent the dough from sticking. Then I'll scoop some dough with a spoon and shape it like this. Watch closely. Next, I'm going to tuck a piece of mozzarella cheese right inside. Then we'll close it like this until the cheese is well covered. I'd love to greet Marcelo Bards, watching from the Dominican Republic. Thank you for being a loyal follower of our recipes. In a small baking dish, I'll add 200 grams of breadcrumbs. Then I'm going to pass our shape through here. If you've made it this far, share this recipe with your crush or a friend. We'll take that into consideration. Let's head to the kitchen and fry them in hot oil until golden. When golden on one side, flip them to cook evenly. Once cooked, we'll remove and place them on a paper-lined plate. I'd love for you to rate this recipe from 1 to 10. We take ratings very seriously. If you don't like it, let us know why in the comments. This way, we'll know how to improve. Our rice recipe is ready. You'll notice how delicious it turned out. I hope Super Delicious is in your dreams and prayers. Bye.